Welcome to the Gweike software instruction. Firstly, open the Gweike software. The Gweike software page includes 1. Object list window, 2. Object properties window, 3. System toolbar, 4. View toolbar, 5. Command toolbar, 6. Drawing toolbar, 7. Processing control bar, 8. Status bar, 9. Marking parameter bar, 10. Canvas. Click Draw Picture Files. Select File Type. Select the picture you want to mark. Open the picture and import the canvas. Select the picture. Center the picture on the canvas. Set the picture size. Now if the image is outside the canvas, select Picture and click in the center of the canvas to find the picture. Picture Parameter Setting. Please refer to the material test sheet for detailed settings. Click Apply. After setting parameters, click Red F1. Observe the engraving range. Start engraving. Click Draw Vector Files. Center the vector graphics on the canvas. Now if the image is outside the canvas, select Picture and click in the center of the canvas to find the picture. Click the Fill in Settings button to complete the settings, and then click OK. After setting the graphic size, click Apply. Fill in the settings and click OK. After completing the settings, set processing parameters, speed, power, frequency. Click Red F1. Observe the engraving range. Start engraving. Click the Text tool. Click the left mouse button on the canvas and text appears. Modify the text. Click Apply. The text content entered is displayed in the canvas. Set the text size, fill, text style, font, and so on. Set processing parameters, speed, power, frequency. Click the Fill in Settings button to complete the settings, and then click OK. Click Red F1. Observe the engraving range. Start engraving. Thanks for watching.